Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Animal Diversity and Comparative Anatomy of the Vertebrates, and now we will discuss about the classification of the reptiles. The reptiles are classified especially on the basis of skeletal characters. The major characteristic feature is the fossa, a shallow depression, a hollow of the temporal region that is behind the orbit of the skull. Anapsida without any opening in the temporal region. You can see the diagrams. On the basis of the fossa, the reptilian skull, they are classified into the four groups. First, Anapsida without any opening into the temporal region. Parapsida, the skull possesses an upper opening in which the post-orbital and squamosal meets the below. Third, Diapsida. In this case, there are two openings on each side, separated by post-orbital and squamosal bone. Synapsida. In this group, a single opening is present with post-orbital and squamosal meeting the above. These are the four groups of the reptiles on which are separated on the basis of the fossa. Now the subclass Anapsida. The roof of the skull is solid. The roof of the skull is solid. The skull is devoid of fossa behind the eyes. इसके अंदर ऑर्डर है चिलोनिया, चिलोन यानी कि टॉर्टोइस. Body is dorsoventrally flattened and more or less elliptical. Body is dorsally covered by a shield-like carapace and ventrally by a plate, plastron. The shell is externally protected either with polygonal skirts or leathery scales. Tortoise आपने देखा ही होगा. The neck, limbs and tails are retractiles, यानी कि अंदर बाहर वो उनको कर सकता है. Tail is very short. Weak limbs are pentadactyls and in some marine forms modified into pedals. In adult, teeth are absent and the jaws are covered by sharp horny plates. These are oviparous animals. In temperate region, all chelonials hibernate regularly. Thoracic vertebrae and ribs are usually fused with the carapace. एग्जाम्पल हैं टेस्टूडो, इमेस, ट्रायोनिक्स, इंडियन सॉफ्ट शेल टर्टल और चिलोनी ग्रीन टर्टल. अब है सब क्लास लेपिडोसूरिया. लेपिडो यानी कि लेपिस, स्केल, स्क्वेरो, लिजर्ड. द स्कल ऑफ द member of this group has two temporal vacuities, that is diapsid skull. Lizard-like reptiles with scaled skins. This subclass include three orders: Eusocia, Rhinocephalia and Squamata. Among these three orders, Eusocia is extinct. Then Rhynchocephalia, rhynchos यानी कि beak, carpels a head. The skin is dorsally dull olive green and ventrally whitish in color. Dorsal side is covered by a small glandular scale and on the ventral side the scale are transformed into transverse square plate of larger size. The tail is bilaterally compressed and crest with the power of the regeneration. All the dorsal side of a median row of erective spines extend from the top of the head to the tip of the tail. Eyes are large with vertical pupil. Vertebrae have amphicoelous centra with persistent notochord. A so-called proatlas is present. Almost all the vertebrae possess chevron bone, any of the V-shaped subvertebral arch which enclose the caudal blood vessel in some animals. Abdominal ribs are present. These ribs are single-headed and the bony. Teeth are of acrodont type. Smaller triangular teeth are present on the maxilla, palatine and mandibles. Brain is simple with very well developed partial parietal organ. इनके third eye. The fertilized egg take over a year to hatch. Sphenodon, punctatus and S. guntheri are the example of this rhinocephalia. Next the order Squamata. Squamatus यानी कि scaly. Skull of these animals bear superior temporal fossa. Lower jaw is composed of several pieces of bones. Teeth are either acrodont or pleurodont type and are born usually on the maxillae, premaxillae and the palatine. Vertebrae are of procellus type and possess chevron bone. The ribs are single-headed. Cloacal aperture is a transverse slit. One pair of reversible copulatory sac are present in the males. They are distributed all over the world यानी कि cosmopolitan. Example है all lizard and snakes are included in this order. Then subclass Archosuria. The skull is of diapsiid type and lacked interparietal and parietal foramina. Some forms are toothless and in other only palatal teeth are closed. The lower jaw is with vacuity between dentary and the angulars. In some advanced form, bipedality was present and girdles were modified accordingly. Order Crocodilia या Loricata. Crocodilus यानी crocodiles. Loricatus clad in the nails. These are freshwater reptiles and carnivores in habit. They swim by the undulation of powerful laterally compressed tail. They creep on land with the help of their less powerful limbs. Pentadactyl limbs. Forelimb possess webbed digits. The skin bear epidermal scales. Scales are supported by dermal bones or the skirts. Males are provided with single and minion erectile copulatory organ. Thecodont teeth are present on premaxillae, maxillae and dentaries. Teeth have persistent pulp. The incipient diaphragm is situated between thoracic and abdominal wall. The heart is four-chambered. Eyes are provided with pectine. Vertebrae are either amphicoelous or procellus type. The caudal vertebrae are provided with chevron bone. Example है alligator Mississippians American, A. sinensis China, Crocodilus palustris Indian. So this is all about the classification of the reptiles. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Home University. Hope you understand the topic, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.